Hello guys, I am Devanshi Nagar from SVVV. Here, this is my project wireless notice board using Arduino and Bluetooth module. Here, the Bluetooth module which is used is HC05 LCD used to display the message. Now, we can give the power supply of 5 volt using adapter. Here the LCD will show the name of our project. Now using mobile phone, using automation app, connect Bluetooth module which is HC05. Here type the name or the message which you want to display on the LCD screen. I will write my name and send it. The LCD will show my name. Thank you.